This person found a great use for the empty helium bottle. Surprisingly, it actually sounds pretty good.
What is the most expensive oil change you can ever do on a Nissan? Answer, the one you never did. There it is. This is the most expensive oil change ever done on a Nissan. The one oil change that this motor had in 60,000 miles cost, I don't know, 15, 20 grand. Change your oil, folks. What's it look like underneath in the crank?
Customer complaint, weird noise. That would be it.
When I saw this all-you-can-carry video, the first thing that popped into my head was Fashion Week in Paris.
Got a 2020 Ultima. Customer states my car won't start. No records of oil changes on Nissan National Service History. Not a single oil change listed on Carhax. We got a window to heaven on the back of the block. And there's the part of the block that fell out when I took the skid plate off. So why is this not covered under warranty again? I just need an explanation.
You know, it's hard to find good mechanic help these days. Can you hand me a 7/16 socket, please? No. 7/16. No, that's a 3/8 drive. 7/16. Come on. I didn't hire you part-time. Come on. 7/16 half-inch drive. That's it right there. Appreciate it. Thanks.
This customer removed everything to reach the damaged dual mass flywheel, attempted to fix it with windshield sealant, put everything back, and brought the car to the repair shop.
Come on, it's almost working. Ah, there you go.
Customer states, check fuel leak. Well, I can confirm the fuel is leaking. Minor frame removal right there.
Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button.
Ooh, that's not good.
Okay, look at the fuel level. Put your foot on the brake. Look at the fuel level. It's going down. My foot's still on the brake. Fuel light comes on. Take my foot off the brake. Fuel level starts going back up.
This customer thought it was a good idea to fix her leaking DEF tank with some silicone. This customer mentioned that he paid for the entire rotor, so he decided to use the entire rotor.
He's just been scraping and scraping and scraping and scraping.
Vehicle is vibrating really bad while driving.
Look what he got here. We have another Prius. Let's see what happened. There's a cat shield on here. And they still got the cats out of it. These thieves have a training program.
This semi came in because the ABS light came on, and the steer axle wheel caught fire. The technician discovered that the oil sealant had leaked, leaving the bearing bone dry. The heat buildup was intense enough to melt just about everything around it.
I think you push it in.
Oh, I see. When someone tells you they've got a friend who can fit a tow bar.
Yeah. Oh. Massive hole in the car.
Today's life hack, I just found out there is a funnel built in to this oil port. Look at that. Never knew.
Alright boys, got a good one for you. Customer states, check brakes on my trailer. Oh, got a doodad right there. Yeah, let's check the other side. Can't be that bad. Ooh. Huh.
Hey, cuz, you got premium, right? You got premium? See, man, it's 2023, man. If your dog ain't pumping your gas, man, what is you living for? You know what I'm saying? Don't let it get over 10. Don't let it get over 10.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to send us your photos and videos for a chance to be featured in our next one. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.